Hi and welcome to this week's edition of the Panel Guide. This week we're going to be talking about a manufacturer from Poland. The company is called ARpanel, and I was introduced to ARpanel about 18 months ago by my friends at Cladding Point. ARpanel have been producing composite panels since 2013. They manufacture the full range of building envelope materials in internal systems. So they've got through fix wall panels and ceiling panels, secret fix wall panels, and also trapezoidal roof panels and wall panels also. Now, ARpanel are part of the Adamietz group, which is a leading construction and manufacturing group from Poland. They're one of the largest manufacturers there in Poland and Eastern Europe. Yeah, the state-of-the-art facilities are amazing. I went over to see them at the end of last year, and I was very impressed at their facilities and what they have available and what they can do. But yeah, like I say, as part of the Adamietz group, which was actually founded by Raymund Adamietz. Adamietz, they have they're a main contractor, so they do lots of projects all over Europe. And they also have architectural practices in-house, and also, like I say, they get involved in the steel production and manufacturing of off-site materials as well. So like modular construction, those kind of things, which are quite popular in Eastern Europe. So yeah, fantastic company. I'd encourage you to have a look. I'll post all the links at the end. You can have a look at them and get involved, see what you think. Like I say, I was introduced to them by Cladding Point. Cladding Point tend to look after their Eastern European sales. Western European sales, sorry. And they have a great partnership together. They do some really good work, good marketing of what they're doing. And yeah, they're doing a really great job. And like I say, I was very proud to be involved with them and to be selling the materials myself. So yeah, I was like I say, I obviously do my research on panel manufacturers from around Europe. So whether it's over the last 30 years or whether it's with my platinum panel business, when I'm selling panels, I want to make sure that they're quality, and because of obviously what I had with another manufacturer and the issues we had there, I had to find a quality manufacturer, and we actually found a handful of manufacturers that I was working with Cladding Point together. But yeah, it's really top quality panels that they produce, so produced on continuous production lines. Options that they can produce is with PIR, PUR, which obviously is still acceptable in various parts of the world, and mineral wool. But I say all of the three options, the through fix, the secret fix, and the micro rib, the roof panel is also available with all of the options available on the installation. So yeah, you've got some great opportunities. Panel lengths is up to 15 meters. So if you are looking at longer panel lengths for roofing, for instance, then 15 meters should be able to suit most. Insulation thicknesses from 400 up to 200 mil thick. Again, both insulation cores. Finishes, they can offer any RAL colour, and they also offer like the coatings that we've been discussing over the last couple of weeks. So you've got the likes of Tartar if need be, Arcelor, you've got Comax, West Alpine. So if you want something a bit special, something a bit more unique, you can have those as well. But yeah, they've got classifications, up to, I think it's 2 hours, I think it is. So yeah, lots of options available, and with the PIR panels on the fire ratings they have with those, basically there's no stitch joints either. So again, what you get is what you see. The panel is installed as it's meant to be, so from the standard details based upon the construction details for fire testing, it's the same as well. So you've got some really top quality panels, great options in terms of coatings. As I say, I'll put the links at the end of the video. Please have a look, see what you think. Send me any comments if you want me to introduce you to the team there at ARpanel, or through Cladding Point. Please let me know. I'm happy to do that. In terms of innovations, what ARpanel producing, they have a system called dual skin. Now, obviously, there's been some disputes and some queries over the years about facade carriers and hanging things off panels, and it's been a very, very strange one. But they've actually got fully tested system with a PIR panel, which is actually certified to carry 45 kilos per square metre. So it is certified and tested to be able to carry that off the external skin of the panel with a PIR panel. So you've got, 120mm thick panel, fully certified, fully tested, and also EI30 inside, outside with external facade on it as well. So, it's a really, really important test that to have, and also to clarify for certification as well. If you've got boundary conditions and those kind of things. But yeah, as I say, please have a look at them. Please get in touch, and as I say, if you want to ask me any questions, if you want to talk to me about anything on them, that would be fantastic. As Gay, thanks for tuning in again. But please, hopefully, like, share, subscribe, follow, and keep watching, and we'll be back with another manufacturer next week. And yeah, if you have anything you want me to look at, if you manufacture yourself, if you have a product or you have some innovation that you'd like me to talk about on the channel, that'd be fantastic. But yeah, please keep in touch, and come back next week, and we look forward to seeing you then. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.